Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Messenger. So first of all, let's just access the Messenger right now. So this is our current account. And usually when you log out of Messenger, all you need to do is go into this three lines on the top left and then click on the gear. And all the way at the very bottom, you can usually log out of your account. But now we have this Meta Account Center. So what we need to do is go on See More in Account Center, this one right here. And then this is our profiles. So let's go ahead and click on Password and Security. And then here in the security checks, you can see where you're logged in. And now as you can see, this is the account that we are using for this Messenger. Let's go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, here are all of the devices that has been logged in on this account. Now let's click on Select Devices to log out. And here you can choose which ones you want to remove, or you can even just click Select All and log out. And here you go. You've now managed to log out of your Messenger. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.